Dialogue focused on time and intentional expressions. 퇴근한 후에 한잔 할래요?
안 돼요. 내일 모레까지 출장 보고서를 써야 해요.
Shall we have a drink after work?
No, I have to write the business trip report by the day after tomorrow.
퇴근한 후에. The verb 퇴근하다 to finish work combines with the time expression 니은 후에 after doing something and is conjugated. 퇴근하다 퇴근한 후에. 한잔 할래요? The verb 한잔 하다 to have a drink combines with the suggestive expression 리을래요 and is conjugated. 한잔 하다 한잔 할래요? 출장 보고서를 써야 해요. In the phrase 써야 해요, the verb 쓰다 to write combines with the mandatory expression 어야 하다 while showing 의 deletion. 쓰다 어야 하다 써야 해요. 제가 도와줄게요. 같이 끝내고 한잔 해요.
고맙지만 사양할게요.
I will help you. Let's finish it together and have a drink.
Thank you, but I think I'll pass.
제가 도와줄게요. In the phrase 도와줄게요, the verb 돕다 to help combines with the expressions 아주다 meaning to do something for someone and the intentional expression 리을게요 and is conjugated. 돕다 아주다 도와줄게요. 끝내고 한잔 해요. The verbs 끝내다 to finish and 한잔하다 to have a drink are created using the time expression 고 which links two clauses in sequence. 끝내다 한잔하다 끝내고 한잔해요. 고맙지만 사양할게요. The adjective 고맙다 to be thankful and the verb 사양하다 to decline are created by 지만 but to indicate contrast. The verb 사양하다 then combines with the intentional expression 리을게요 and is conjugated. 고맙다 사양하다 고맙지만 사양할게요. 한잔 하면서 스트레스 푸세요.
저는 조용한 업무할 때는 술 안 마셔요.
Relax and let go of some stress with a drink.
I don't drink when I'm handling important work.
한잔 하면서 스트레스 푸세요. The verbs 한잔 하다 to have a drink and 풀다 to relieve in the phrase 스트레스 풀다 are created using the time expression 면서 while which links two actions happening at the same time. 한잔 하다 스트레스 풀다 한잔 하면서 스트레스 푸세요. Here the verb 풀다 combines with the polite sentence ending 세요 conjugating to 푸세요. 저는 중요한 업무 할 때는 술 안 마셔요. In the phrase 할 때, the verb 하다 to do combines with the time expression 리을 때, which expresses the time when an action takes place or its duration. 하다, 할 때. Here, the verb 마시다 to drink is negated by 안 and conjugated 마시다, 안 마시다, 안 마셔요. 그럼 내일 모레 퇴근 후에 어때요? 제가 살게요.
좋아요. 먹고 끝내고 나서 같이 한잔해요.
Then, how about after work, the day after tomorrow? My treat.
Sounds good. Let's have a drink after I finish the report.
퇴근 후에 어때요? The time expression 후에 is attached to the noun 퇴근, leaving work, to indicate time. And the sentence ends with 어때요? How about? which is a suggestion. 제가 살게요. The verb 사다, to buy, combines with the intentional expression 리을게요 and is conjugated. 사다, 살게요. 보고 끝내고 나서 한잔해요. In this sentence, the phrase 끝내고 나서 consists of the verb 끝내다, to finish, and the time expression 고 나서, which emphasizes the completion of one action followed by the start of another. In this case, it means after finishing the report, let's have a drink. 한잔해요. 끝내다, 한잔하다, 끝내고 나서 한잔해요. 다음에서 만나요.